Imagine waking up tomorrow and no alarm, no boss, just you, your freedom, and a side hustle that's making you money. In this video, I will reveal a side hustle so simple it will ruin all of your excuses. A few months ago, I was stuck in a 9-to-5 job as a stonemason. My days were long, hard, and filled with endless physical labor. I was working all day just to get by, trapped in a cycle that left me exhausted and unfulfilled. I needed a change. That's when I stumbled upon flipping. In just a few short months of flipping, I was able to quit the 9-to-5 grind and replace my income. I took what I learned, applied it consistently, and found freedom through reselling. So what is flipping exactly? Flipping or reselling is the act of turning an item into something of greater value. It is not just a side hustle. It's one of the oldest and most reliable ways of building wealth, dating back all the way when trade first began. And in today's world, it's more relevant than ever. So why flipping? If you know the YouTube landscape, you know that everyone and their grandma is telling you to start an online business, like dropshipping or social media marketing agencies. But let's be real for a second. These are simply not for everyone. They are complicated, time intensive, and have a massive learning curve. And I will be honest with you, I want to make easy money with little effort, so I can spend my time living my life. And this is where flipping is different. It is straightforward. It is beginner friendly and it is accessible to anybody. You do not need months of training. All you need is a phone and Facebook Marketplace. You can start in less than 5 minutes and earn your first dollar within a day. So how easy is it to start? It is as simple as this. First, you find something valuable that you no longer use. Pots, sneakers, or even Pokemon cards. Second, take a few pictures, write a description, and list it for sale online. And third, watch as you make your first dollar in no time. If you have never sold anything before, this is your moment. Take 5 minutes right now. Grab an item that you don't use, snap a picture and list it right now. Stop this video and do this. I don't want you to keep watching if you don't. Are you done? Yes? If you have done so, I am proud of you because you have just taken the first step on your reselling journey. And if you haven't stopped the video, I'm sorry to tell you, but you most likely will not make it. The 3 most harmful addictions are heroin, carbohydrates, and a monthly salary. Nassim Taleb. Do not get addicted to an hourly wage. I'm not flipping to build myself a second 9-to-5. The goal here is to divorce your time from your money. Just think about a retail worker earning $20 an hour. No matter how fast they work, how well they treat the customers, or how thoughtfully they stack the shelves, they still only earn $20 an hour. Flipping is different. It rewards your effort and skill, not just your time. Flip a video game. Buy it for $5, sell it for $20. It would take you 1 hour. That is $15 an hour. Flip a fridge. Get it for free on Facebook Marketplace. Sell it for $150. That will take you 3 hours. And that is $50 an hour. Flip a car. Buy it for $5,000. Sell it for $7,000. And it takes 10 hours. Now that's $200 per hour. You can keep stacking this game up and up and up. There is no limit. And that's the beauty of it. With flipping, you are not trapped in an hourly wage. You can determine how much you earn. This means if you are skilled enough, you can make $10,000 with just 25 hours of work. So why isn't everyone doing it? Simply put, because flipping is not scalable. Big companies cannot automate this process. They can't compete in a market where individuals try and pick valuable items and resell them for more money. So flipping is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It will not make you the next Jeff Bezos. But done right, flipping can give you something far more valuable than just money. It will give you a life with short work days, nobody to boss you around all day, and a level of freedom that you cannot have at a 9-to-5. Are you ready to get started? If this sounds like the life that you want, I've got something to give you an unfair advantage. Download my free flipping cheat sheet, an A4 guide packed with everything that you need to know to get started in succeeding with flipping. Thank you from my heart for taking the first step in reclaiming your freedom. I cannot wait to see what you can achieve.